we're going to explain how to remove specific text from a file. There are several ways to do this, depending on your operating system and comfort level with the command line. We'll cover a few methods, starting with the simplest. 1. Using a text editor for small files and simple replacements. This is the easiest method for small files, or if you only need to remove a single instance of a specific word or phrase.
Open the file in a text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, Mac, or any other code editor like VS Code, Sublime Text, etc. Find the text you want to remove using the editor's find function, usually Ctrl+F or CMD+F. Select the text and press the delete key. Save the file. This method is straightforward but not suitable for large files or complex replacements. 2. Using SED for Linux Mac OS. SAD is a powerful stream editor. This command line tool allows you to perform substitutions and deletions on text files efficiently. To remove a specific line containing example text, you would use a command like this: sed-example text d input xt output text. This command searches for lines containing example text /example text, deletes them d, and redirects the output to a new file named output.txt. The original input text file remains unchanged. For more complex patterns, you might need regular expressions. For example, to remove lines containing any variation of example text, case insensitive, sed example text id input text output text. The I flag makes the search case insensitive. Remember to replace example text with the actual text you want to remove and input.txt and output.txt with your desired file names. Using PowerShell child for Windows. PowerShell offers similar capabilities to SED. To remove lines containing example text, you would use a command like this: getContentInput.txt, not match example text, setContentOutputText. This reads the contents of input.txt, filters out lines matching example text using not match, and writes the remaining lines to output.txt. Like said, PowerShell supports regular expressions for more complex pattern matching. 4. Using Python for scripting and complex tasks. For more complex scenarios, or if you need to integrate text removal into a larger script, Python provides a flexible solution. You can read the file line by line, check each line against your target text using string methods like replace or regular expressions, and write the modified lines to a new file. Basic example: Python with open input txt. R as in file, open output text. W as out file. For line and in file, modified line equals line, replace example text, out file write, modified line. Remember to replace example text with the actual text you want to remove and adjust file names as needed. This Python script replaces all occurrences of the target text on each line. For more sophisticated handling of multiple occurrences or complex patterns, you would use Python's re module for regular expressions. Choosing the right method depends on your needs. For simple tasks, a text editor might suffice. For complex scenarios or automated processes, SED, PowerShell, or Python offers more robust solutions.